Okay, guys, so this is really weird. I know. I don't normally do videos like this, but you should have heard it like a little while. I was too late because I was too excited and thrilled at the same time. So I didn't pull out my phone, and my phone's about to die and stuff right now. It's like at 5% right now. But I was just swinging on that tire swing we just built, and then this weird noise was in the air, and I thought to myself, the aliens are gonna send me into their ship. But no, it was weird, it sounded like a horn. This was really weird, and I was like, well, goodbye world, I'm being ascended into an alien ship. But no, and I was just watching Venture Tale, an Oblivion Tale video about the TARDIS and stuff. I don't know. And I just hear, and I thought it was just part of the video, because when it comes to Doctor Who and stuff, noises like that really. And he was pressing buttons in the TARDIS in that game, so I thought it was just part of the video. But no, as soon as my phone turned off, I wasn't pressing the screen, so I thought I wasn't using the phone, so it turned off, and the noise is still happening. I'm like, what? Yeah, it's really weird. You should have heard it. But I know all you haters out there well, it's probably not real. Just got very fake right now. No, I'm not.